Hello friends, in this video we are going to start Anaconda Python installation on Windows operating system. In the Windows operating system, what is the requirements for Anaconda Python and how to download and install. For this process, kindly see this video completely till end, and if you not subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for not miss any update from this channel. Hello friends, welcome to TechScoder. Friends, we are starting to downloading Anaconda Python for Windows. So we are going to your browser and write anaconda.com. When you go for anaconda.com, okay, so in this website you will be go for the individual editor, open source distributions and the other projects. When you go here, you will be go for the download. When we go for download, it gives you all the categories of operating system according to which you can use this software. So I am using Windows 10 here, 64-bit operating system, graphical interface. We will need this installation package, and kindly see from your computer's properties whether you are using 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. If your operating system is 64-bit, you will again go here and download 64-bit, otherwise you are downloading the 32-bit operating system. I am going to 64-bit operating system download, and in the download you will be go for save. When you go for save the application, it takes some of the time, okay, as you see. Now our download is completed. We are going to the show in folder, and in this directory it has in the download directory. Now we are going to install the software. Just right click here, run as administrator. It takes some time because it just understands the repositories, registry settings of Windows operating system that will be matched to the Anaconda or not, our setup. Going for yes, and now we are move to the setup of Anaconda 3. We are just going to click next, agree, users installation, click on all users, next. By default our Python is installed there, so we are using the C drive, program data. Anaconda 3 is the default directory of Anaconda. Click on next for register document, the settings, and after that installation is being processed after extraction. Now our installation is completed. We are going for the next, and what you see, we have the next here. So if you want to go for these options, you will be checked marked as, otherwise unmark these and go for finish. Now after finish, what you see in your system, the changes are there. Anaconda is now installed on your system, Anaconda Navigator 3. We right click here, okay, open file location, go for right click and just send to this as the desktop, create a shortcut. Okay, now you are getting the Anaconda shortcut here, and now we are going to start Anaconda. Double click on Anaconda. Now what Anaconda has automatically there, some of the software tools installed. Okay, first of all, and the first time of execution it will take some of the time, because it configure Python on your system, it configure JetBrains on your system, and it configures PyCharm on your system, Spider on your system. After that it is going for the starting. All the scripts, all the data there are loaded into your system registry. Now it is going for initializing. Now what you see, it is loaded. Now we are going for don't show this message again. So this is Anaconda Navigator, and in the Navigator you have the number of tools installed there, like Jupyter Lab is there, Notebook, PowerShell prompt, CMD executable PowerShell, Spider is there automatically pre-installed. If you want to install the other tools like R Programming, R Studio is there, Orange 3 is there. In Orange 3 you can go for the data analysis for novices and the other things. So all these tools are automatically available. Now if we go for the environments, then we go for environment, we have number of listed environment which are used by Anaconda Python. Okay, we have the community support there. You go for the community, which kind of community you want to explore or engage, you will be there. So Anaconda is the best platform for using Python in your system, and this is also working on Mac OS, Windows OS or Linux. So I am going for launching the Spider here, because Spider IDE is the maximum used for the scientific Python development, core Python programming, Python analysis, Python data analysis, all the things are there. We just go for the checking how Spider is working. Okay, when you click on the launch, it will be opened. Okay, now we have the Spider Python installed with the Anaconda Studio, or you can say Anaconda Navigator. In this, there is another software tool after installation of Spider. If you want to install the kite there, you can go for install kite or dismiss this. Okay, now in the file you will be go for the new file, for the existing file, or making any project there. Okay, so all the scripts are working like this. I just execute a simple program here. Okay, I write here and you go for the execute. When you go for execute in the current console, you will be go for run. Now what you see, it is working. So my Anaconda, Navigator, Spider, Python, all the things are configured there. And if you not subscribe this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching friends. Thank you.